Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth pairing mode on your JBL Clip 5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a JBL Clip 5 and you're trying to turn on Bluetooth pairing mode. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is turn on your JBL Clip 5. You should hear it go ahead and turn on, and then afterwards, on the side, you're going to see this Bluetooth button. If you press and hold this Bluetooth button, you're going to see the light on top start to blink. So press and hold that Bluetooth button, which is the button in the middle, and then you should see this button start to blink. And you should hear that noise that you hear right now, okay? So as it starts to blink, this is when you can use your mobile device, your iPad, or your laptop to go ahead and find your JBL Clip 5. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Bluetooth pairing mode on your JBL Clip 5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.